Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the RevereSport Premium iPhone 7 slash iPhone 8 Armband with fingerprint ID access. Of course, you can use your iPhone 11 and 10 also, and this a RevereSport Premium Armband. There's no problem with it, really. It will match too. You can see here I'm using my iPhone 11 on it, and it is proper working. You can see there is an fingerprint access area on it. This is for a special thing because of iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 contains a fingerprint sensor. So it is phone arm case holder for running, gym, and workouts. Designed for iPhone. Premium armband designed to fit with the iPhone 7 and 8. Not the Plus models, okay? With a slim case. The specially designed armband has fingerprint ID access and iPhone earphone X too. The armband also comes with our super cool extension thing that you can use for big arms, for example. And it's sweat resistant. The number one complaint with other armbands is that thread can damage our phone. No more. This new advanced neoprene material will stop sweat from getting to our phone. The ultra lightweight material is long lasting, super strong, and extra durable. Don't risk your money. Don't risk your smartphone. Treat yourself to the very best today. Secure non-slip grip. The secure armband has a dual adjustable arm strap, what I'm talking about before, with reinforced stitching all the way around, ensuring the strap will grip tight and not fall down. The new improved strap fits on crewman Francis padded woman 21 centimeters up to 40 centimeters. Woo, this is a medium male thing. You can choose high visibility. The extra bright 3M reflector strip gives us high visibility when on the road at night. The separate key pocket helps protect our phone from scratches, and the neat headphone slots are perfect for listening to music while jogging, hiking, gym, workouts, cycling, marathons, dog walking, or traveling. And it works really good. You can use it on your arm. You can use it on and on all other areas of your body where you can going to wrap this armband around. You do not have to use it only on your arm. You can use it on your legs too. It's no problem. But take care of the iPhone if you are using it on the legs, okay? Because your legs, while you're running, you're not so good. It's better to wear it on your upper arm. And it works really good. It is a nice quality, a good shape. I like it. And it is not so expensive. If you buy this RevereSport Premium iPhone 7a model, because the new model for iPhone 11 is more expensive. That is a little tip here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.